Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Exercise 6.1. First bit. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First problem. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 20 rupees for the first kilometer and rises by 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. Solution for first bit, first problem. According to the question, the fare for journey of first kilometer, that is first kilometer is 20 rupees and next 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers and so on are respectively first 20 rupees, next 1 kilometer, this first kilometer, this second kilometer, 20 plus 1 into 8, 20 plus 2 into 8, 20 plus 3 into 8 and so on, that is 20, 28, 2 8s are 16, 36, 3 8s are 24, 44 and so on. Here each term is obtained by adding 8 to the preceding term except first term. So it is an AP, arithmetic progression. First bit, second problem. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Solution for first problem, first bit, second problem. Let the amount of air present in a cylinder be x units. according to the question, the terms which give gives the air present in the cylinder is given by x. This is first term. Second term, x minus 1 by 4 of x. 1 by 4 of x is equal to x minus x by 4, that is equal to LCM 4x minus x is equal to 3x by 4. This is the first term. This is the second term. Next, 1 by 4, 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 of 3x by 4 is equal to LCM 3x by 4 minus 3x by 4 4 is 16, that is equal to LCM 16, 4 4 is 4 3 is 12, x minus 3x is equal to 9x by 16. This is third term. Basing these three terms, we can identify is this arithmetic progression or not. The terms are x, 3x by 4, 9x by 16, A1, A2, A3. Now we have to check the difference of these terms, that is A2 minus A1, 3x by 4 minus x, A2 minus A1. Here LCM 4, 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x by 4. Next to A3 by minus A2. A3, this is A3, 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 16 LCM. 16 ones are 9x minus 4 4s are 4 3s are 12, x minus 3x 12 minus 12x 9x is equal to minus 3x by 16. So we understood A2 minus A1 not is equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, common difference, common difference is not same. So it does not form an AP. First bit, third problem. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and raises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Solution for first bit, third problem. According to the question, the cost of digging for the first meter, second meter, third meter, and so on, are respectively 150 first meter, 150 rupees, second meter 150 plus 50 rupees additional. So 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50 rupees, and so on. That is 150 rupees, 200 rupees, 250 rupees, and so on. Here each term is obtained by adding 50 rupees to the preceding term. Except first term. So it is an AP. Question number 4 in first bit. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Solution for first bit, first problem. According to the question, the amount of money in the account in first year, first year, second year, third year, and so on, or respectively. So first 10,000 rupees. Next to 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100. Next 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. This is first deposited. This after first year. This is after second year. So and so on. That is 10,000 into 100 plus 108 by 100. 10,000 into 108 by 100 whole square, that is equal to 10,000. Here 10,000 into 108 by 100. Here 10,000 into 108 into 108 by 100 into 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 zeros gets cancelled. That is 10,000. 108. After we have to keep these 2 zeros. 108 into 108. We have to multiply. 8 8 is 64. 8 1 is 8. 0 0 0. 8 0 1. So 6 4 6 16 1 1. 11,664. 11,664. These all are rupees. This first term, second term, third term. We have to check this difference of these terms. A to D is equal to difference, common difference, A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. We can check 10,800 minus 10,000. Here 11,664 minus 10,800. Here 800 difference. Here 4 6 16 minus 8 8 0 0 864. So here common difference not is equal to. Therefore, the common difference are not same. not same. So it does not form an AP. Question number 2. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First problem, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. Solution for second bit, first problem, given A is equal to 10, D is equal to also 10. Therefore, first term A1 is equal to A is equal to 10. Second term A2 is equal to A plus D, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. A3 is equal to A2, here A1 plus D, here A2 plus D is equal to 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. A4 is equal to A3 plus D is equal to 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Therefore, the first four terms, the first four terms of an AP are first term, this first, this second, this is third, this is fourth. 10, 20, 30, 40. Second bit, second problem, A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. Solution for second bit, second problem, given A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. First term A1 is equal to A, that is equal to minus 2. A2 is equal to A1 plus D, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 only. A3 is equal to A2 plus D, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2 only. A4 is equal to A3 plus D, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2 only. Therefore, the first four terms of an AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Second bit, third problem, A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. Solution for second bit, third problem, given A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So A1 is equal to A, that is equal to 4. A2 is equal to A1 plus D, 4 plus minus 3, that is equal to 1. A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. A4 is equal to A3 plus D, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Therefore, the first four terms of an AP are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Second bit, fourth problem, A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. Solution for a second bit, fourth problem. Given A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. So A1, first term A1 is equal to A, that is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to A1 plus D, that is equal to minus 1. A minus 1. Sorry, D is equal to 1 by 2. D is equal to 1 by 2. So minus 1, 1 by 2. Minus of A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that is equal to A3, A2 minus 1 by 2, D is 1 by 2. So plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. A4 is equal to A3 plus D, A3 0 plus D plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the first four terms of an AP are, this is first minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Second bit, fifth problem. A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. Solution for second bit, fifth problem. Given A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. So first term A1 is equal to A only, minus 1.25. Next, second term A2 is equal to A1 plus D, minus 1.25 plus D, minus 0.25, that is equal to 1.25 minus 0.25, 0, 5, 1, minus 1.50, minus 1.50. A3 is equal to A2 plus D is equal to minus 1.50 minus 0.25 is equal to minus 1.75. A4 is equal to A3 plus D is equal to minus 1.75 minus 0.25 is equal to minus 2.00. We can write minus 2. Therefore, the first four terms of an AP are, here is first minus 1.25 minus 1.50, minus 1.50 means minus 1.5 minus 1.75 minus 2. Third bit, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. First problem, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. Solution for third bit, first problem. Given 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 and so on. So here we have to find the first term. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So first term A is equal to A1 is equal to 3. Next common difference, this is the first term. This is the first term. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. These are two answers. This first answer, this second answer. Next, third bit, second problem, given minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, these are terms. So first term A is equal to A1 is equal to minus 5. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, that is equal to minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 4. These are two answers. This is first answer, this is second answer. Third bit, third problem, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. Third solution for third bit, third problem, given 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First term A1 is equal to 1 by 3. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. These are like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions is equal to difference of numerators by common denominator 4 by 3. So this is first answer, this is second answer. Next solution for third bit, fourth problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. These are given A1, A2, A3, A4. First term A1 is equal to 0.6, this is first answer. D is equal to A2 minus A1, 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. So this is second answer. Fourth bit, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. First problem 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Solution for fourth bit, first problem, given 2, 4, 8, 16. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. We have A2 minus A1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Here if A2 minus A1 not is equal to A3 minus A2 not is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the list of numbers, this 2, 4, 8, 16 does not form an AP. Fourth bit, second problem, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. Solution for fourth bit, second problem, given 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. This first term, second, third, fourth and so on. A2 minus A1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. 2 is the LCM, 5, 4, 1 by 2. Next to A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 2, 2 3 is a 6, 1 5 is a 5, 1 by 2. A4 minus A3 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to LCM 2, 7, 6, 1 by 2. Therefore, common difference D is in all the cases equal. D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the given list form an AP. So here then we have to find first common difference D and write the more terms. So common difference D is equal to 1 by 2. Here we have written already. D is equal to 1 by 2. We have to find, write 3 more terms. Therefore, 3 more terms means A5. We have to find A5, A6, A7. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 7 by 2 plus D 1 by 2. 2, 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, 2 ones, 2 fours, 4. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 4, D is 1 by 2, 4 and half. 4 and half means 2 4s are 8, 9 by 2 or 4 and half. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is here only A6, 9 by 2. D is 1 by 2. So 2 is the LCM, 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, 2 ones, 2 5s, 5. Therefore, the next 3 terms, are, this is 4, 9 by 2, 5. This is 5th, 6th, 7th. 4, 9 by 2, 5. Fourth bit, third problem, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Solution For fourth bit third problem, given minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Common difference, we have to find common difference. A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, that is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, 0. So here we can calculate minus 3.2, 1.2, 0, minus 2. So minus 2. Next to A3 minus A2, minus 5.2 minus of minus plus 3.2, that is equal to 0, minus 2. A4 minus A3, minus 7.2 minus of minus plus 5.2, minus 2. So here D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 2. Common difference is in all the cases equal. Therefore, the given list of numbers, the given list numbers form an AP. Therefore, D is equal to minus 2. We have to find next three numbers, next three terms, next three terms, next three terms are A, next three terms A5, A6, A7 we have to find. A5, A4 plus D, A6, A4 plus D. A4, here we have A4 minus 7.2, minus 7.2, common difference minus 2, minus 9.2. A6, A5 plus D, minus 9.2, minus 2, minus 11.22. A7 is equal to A6 plus D, A6 minus 11.2, minus 11.2 minus 2 is equal to minus 13.2. Therefore, next three terms are this minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. With calculating or without calculating we can find. Here I calculated, but without calculating also we can find by adding minus 2 for preceding term. Fourth bit, fourth problem, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Solution for fourth bit, fourth problem, given minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. First, second, third, fourth terms and so on. Common difference A2 minus A1 minus 6 minus of minus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4 plus 4. A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 minus 2 minus of minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 is equal to 2 minus of minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. In all the differences are equal, that is difference, common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3, that is equal to 4. Therefore the given list given list form an AP. Then we have to find common difference and next three terms. Therefore common difference d is equal to 4, and we have to find next three terms. Next three terms are minus, next three terms what, a5, a6, a7, these we have to find. a5 is equal to a4 plus 4, a4 2 plus 4 6, a6 a5 plus 4 6 plus 4 10, a7 a6 plus, this is common difference 4, 10 plus 4 14. Therefore next three terms are what, these 6 10 14. By adding a fixed number, that is common difference 4 to the preceding term, we can get to next number. So 5 6 7. Fourth bit, fifth problem, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Solution for fourth bit fifth problem, given 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. First term, second, third, fourth, and so on. Common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 2, a3 minus a2 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So this cancel, 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 root 2. a4 minus, here a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 root 2. So in all the differences are common differences are same. So a2 minus a1 is equal to, common difference a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a2, sorry, a3 is equal to root 2. Therefore the given list of numbers, the given list form an AP. then we have to find common difference root 2, and the next three terms are we have to add root 2 for preceding term. Next three terms 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. These are A5, A6, A7 terms. Fourth bit, sixth problem, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. Solution for fourth bit, sixth problem, given 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. First term, second, third, fourth term, and so on. Now we have to find common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus 0.2, 0.22 minus 0.2, 0, so here 0.02. Next A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22, sorry 22 only, here 2, 0, 0, 0.002. A4 minus A3 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.222 is equal to 0.0002. So here A2 minus the common difference, A2 minus A1 not is equal to A3 minus A2 not is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore the given list does not form an AP. Fourth bit, seventh problem, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. Solution for fourth bit, seventh problem, given 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 4, minus 0 is equal to minus 4, A3 minus A2 minus 8 minus of minus 4 is equal to minus 8, minus of minus 4 plus 4 minus 4, A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 12 minus of minus 8 is equal to minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So in all the common difference are equal. Therefore D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore the given list of numbers, given list form an AP. So common difference D is equal to minus 4, and the next three numbers, next three terms are minus we have to add this common difference for those minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Fourth bit, eighth problem, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Solution for fourth bit, eighth problem, given minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Here a1, a2, a3, a4, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. a3 minus a2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 0. a4 minus a3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to 0. Common difference 0. Therefore the given list of numbers, the given list form an AP. Common difference already mentioned 0, and also therefore the next three terms are, without calculating we can write constant AP, this minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So this is 5th, 6th, 7th, next three terms. Fourth bit, ninth problem, 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Solution for fourth bit, ninth problem, given 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. First, second, third, fourth terms. Common difference a2 minus a1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to a3 minus a2, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, a4 minus a3 is equal to 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. So here common difference not same, that is a2 minus a1 not is equal to a3 minus a2 not is equal to a4 minus a3. Therefore the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Fourth bit, 10th problem, a, 2a, 3a, 4a. Solution for fourth bit, 10th problem, given a, 2a, 3a, 4a and so on. First, second, third, fourth terms. Common difference a2 minus a1 is equal to a minus a is equal to a3 minus a2, 3a minus 2a is equal to a4 minus a3, 4a minus 3a is equal to a. In all the common terms of common difference are equal. Therefore d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 3, that is equal to A. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an AP. Common difference, asked common difference D is equal to A, and next 3 terms. Therefore, the next 3 terms are, by observing only, without calculating only, we can write here A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. This is 6th term, 7th term, 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. 4th bit to 11th problem. A square, A cube, A to the power of 4. Solution for 4th bit to 11th problem. A square, A cube, A to the power of 4, and so on. First, second, third, 4th problem, 4th terms, and so on. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, A square minus A3 minus A2 is equal to A cube minus A square, A4 minus A3 is equal to A to the power of 4 minus A cube. So these common differences are not same. A2 minus A1 not is equal to A3 minus A2 not is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list does not form an AP. 4th bit to 12th problem, root 2, root 28, root 18, root 32, and so on. Solution for 4th bit 12th problem, given root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, and so on. We can simplify this, that is 1 root 2, root 8, we can write 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. In this, 2 come out, 2 root 2. Next 18, 2 9s, 3 3s. So 3 come out from this, 3 root 2. Next 32, 2 1s, 2 6, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. 2 come out, one more 2 come out, 2 2s 4, 4 root 2, and so on. So this is term 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is equal to 1 root 2 come. Next A3 minus A2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, 1 root 2 come. A4 minus A3 is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, 1 root 2 come. Therefore, common difference in all the common differences are equal. So D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to root 2. So the given list of numbers form an AP. D ask common difference, so common difference do D is equal to root 2. Now we can write next 3 terms. This is 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2. 4th term 4 root 2. Therefore, the next the next three terms. Next three terms are, we have to write a5, a6, a7. So 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. These are next three terms. Fourth bit, 13th problem, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Solution for fourth bit, 13th problem. Given root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, a1, a2, a3, a4. Common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3. a3 minus a2, root 9 minus root 6. Here a4 minus a3, root 12 minus root 9, 2 3s are 3 3s are, here 3 minus 2 3s are 6 only. For 12 we can write 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 comes, 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 3. So these are the common differences are not same, therefore a2 minus a1 not is equal to a3 minus a2 not is equal to a4 minus a3. Therefore the given list of numbers, the given list does not form an AP. Friends, I think you understood each and every explanation what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me make more interesting videos.